How long do Hyundai engines typically last?
Hello and welcome to today's episode where we're exploring the longevity of Hyundai engines. Hyundai, a major player in the automotive industry, is known for its well-built cars. The longevity of its engines, however, is an essential factor to consider. Today, we'll break down how long Hyundai engines typically last.
What is the average lifespan of Hyundai engines?
Let's dive straight into the numbers. The average Hyundai engine lifespan tends to be around 150,000 to 200,000 miles when properly maintained. This longevity is pretty standard among modern vehicles. However, like with any car, this lifespan can drastically change depending on several factors.
What factors influence the lifespan of Hyundai engines?
Several factors can impact the lifespan of your Hyundai engine. Regular maintenance, such as changing the oil, checking the coolant, and maintaining proper tire pressure, is crucial. Avoiding extreme driving conditions and immediately addressing any engine issues also contributes to a longer lifespan. Further, the type of engine and the model of your Hyundai vehicle will also affect engine longevity. For instance, the Hyundai Santa Fe and Hyundai Sonata have been reported to exhibit excellent engine durability.
How to prolong the lifespan of Hyundai engines?
Getting the most out of your Hyundai engine involves some proactive measures. Regular maintenance is key, including timely oil changes, replacing filters, checking fluid levels, and ensuring your engine is always running cool. Also, avoid aggressive driving habits such as hard braking or rapid acceleration, as they can put undue stress on the engine. Lastly, always make sure to address any engine light warnings immediately to prevent further damage. So, there you have it. Hyundai engines typically last between 150,000 to 200,000 miles, but with the right care and attention, you can help ensure that your engine reaches the upper limit of this range or even exceeds it. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding more about the longevity of Hyundai engines. Until next time, drive safely and keep your car in good health.